sentence, cases. So let's start. Hi friends! Today we are going to learn about more noun cases. So let's start. You know,
So before we want to understand the cases, noun cases, let's understand about the nouns. Today, I'm going to tell you about nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are a naming words. Nouns andre enu? They are the naming words. Name of a place, name of a name of a people, name of a things, name of a animal, etc. is called what are nouns. Nouns are a naming words. ನಾಮಪದಗಳು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ there were so many places names are there, so many persons names are there, animals birds names are there. So everyone's name, anything in the world, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ, they are called noun. What are noun? What is noun? Noun is a name of people, name of place, name of animal, birds, and name of anything in the world is called noun. So that in this video, the first meaning of noun is what saying. Listen here.
friends, today we are going to learn about more noun cases. So let's start. Today we are going to learn about more noun cases. So let's start. You know that
What
noun
is noun?
is a naming word.
Yes.
And all the naming words, that is, names of persons, animals, birds, places, things, even feelings or ideas are called
Noun. See here, there is the name of peoples, name of animals, name of birds, name of places, and name of things, anything in the world. Names of feelings also. What are the imaginary, where the words are there, feelings are there. Those all things we called it as noun. Okay, people, hope everyone have understood. ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we are come to know noun. Noun ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So what are noun of cases? Nouns of cases. Cases of noun ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. Let's watch it.
nouns. Cases of nouns, pronouns. And we also learned that every noun has some relation with some other word in the sentence.
Yes. What is cases of noun? Cases of noun ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. So every noun and pronoun some relation with other words in the sentences. ಈ cases ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ in the sentences we have some of the words, many of the words ಅಲ್ವಾ. a group of words is called sentence ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ತರದ್ದು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. those words relation, what is the relation? ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ಸಮ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. an apple is a sweet fruit ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. an ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆಪಲ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಈಸ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, is the sweet fruit ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದೀಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ there are many types, different types of words I have written here. the apple is a sweet ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಈ ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಅದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. So what is the work of cases in the sentences means they will give relation connected with each other. Nouns and pronouns has some relation with other words in the sentences, that is called cases. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕೇಸಸ್ ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೌನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾಮಪದ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂತ ನಾಮಪದಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯ ಏನೇನ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಸಂಬಂಧನ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಹೂ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಗಿವ್ more information about relation. It means cases are relation. It means they connected each of the words in the sentences or nouns. Okay dear, here listen
The
here.
relationship between the noun and some other word in the sentence is called case. We we have already learned about two cases of nouns and pronouns, nominative case and accusative case. Now, the cases we are going to learn about are the vocative case, the possessive case, and the dative case. We are going to begin with the possessive case or
Okay, children, here cases of nouns ಇದೆ. Cases of nouns ಏನಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ. Hope everyone have understood what are cases of noun means. Cases of noun do the work. It means they give the relation between each words with the in the sentences. Okay, they are giving relation between each words in the sentences. These are called the cases of nouns. So we have some types of the types of cases are there. Okay, cases of the nouns having 5 types. How many types are there? Yes, 5 types. First type is called nominative case, accusative case, vocative case, then dative case. Okay, how many are there? 5 are there. This is possessive case is different one. It is not there in your textbook. In textbook al illa, but accusative case also not there. So I will explain you only these 4: nominative, vocative, possessive, and dative case. So how many types are there in your textbook? Cases of nouns types are there: nominative case, vocative case, possessive case, and dative case. Okay, these are the cases of nouns. Idu words iga, these are the nouns, these are the cases. Relatedly they are working under the sentences. They make relation with words. They make relation each of the words ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಮಿನೇಟಿವ್ ಕೇಸ್.
is the vocative case of noun. Father gave Tia a so Tia is indirect object and some other word sentence or
Now listen possessive case now.
Possessive case and with the possessive case or genitive case of noun and pronoun. A noun or pronoun is said to be a possessive case or genitive case when it shows ownership, authority, origin, kind, etc. Let's learn this with the help of examples. That book is mine. The pronoun mine shows the ownership of the book. So, the pronoun mine is in the possessive case, also called genitive case. That is Rika's car. The word Rika is in the possessive case, pronoun mine, origin, kind, etc. Now, it's said to be in
Okay, children, possessive names we have. I told you there are 4 to 5 types of names, nouns of cases. In that nominative case, objective case, possessive case, and adjective case. That in that we are possessive case we have to understand. Though this possessive case we can understand remain all the 3 cases. Okay, children. So let's know what are possessive case. Possessive case, I think you people have listened. We used apostrophe. Here it's a mark you are seeing. This one is mark. What it called? This mark is called apostrophe S. Apostrophe S anta karitivi. This apostrophe S is called as possessive case anta antare. What is it? Yes, possessive case. Apostrophe S we use in the possessive case. It means what it works. Idu sentence alli en kelasa madutte andre, it will give the belongs to. It work as a ownership. Okay, it work as a owner. It means it's belong to. Example, That Sam's book ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. One of the example has given. So Sam is name of a boy. And that Sam book ಇದೆ, ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಬುಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ಸ್ ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? We used apostrophe s, possessive case we used there. So that is Sam's book ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So here what we call Sam is one of the noun, and then s is apostrophe possessive noun, possessive case. So when we use possessive case means, well, after the subject we use possessive case. Ataita, in the sentence when we use possessive case means possessive case we used after the subject. So let's read what is subject. Subject andre enu andre, in the sentences we write subject, object, subject, verb, object. Okay children, while every sentence, in the sentences,
That's the case for
okay,
genitive.
here I will show you by writing here. In sentences, we always write sentences with the subject, verb, object. Don't forget it. How? I will tell you here. Ramesh go to school. Okay. In this, as I wrote, this is sentence. This is what? A sentence. Its full group of words is called sentence. So each of the word has related with. Okay, illi possessive, what we call case, noun of case agide illi. Ella words each other connected ide. Ramesh go to school anta illi ಒಂದು example ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So Ramesh ig ನಾನು ಏನಂತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, here I will write Ramesh is one of the subject. ಈ ರಮೇಶ್ ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಗೋ ಏನ್ ಕರಿತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಗೋ ನ ಏನ್ ಕರಿತೀನಿ? ಗೋ is one of the ವರ್ಬ್. ವರ್ಬ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ವರ್ಬ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸಮ್ ರಮೇಶ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋ is ವರ್ಬ್ and school I will write here. School ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀನಿ here. Here I will write the school. School is what? School is one of the object. Okay children, in this one, here in the sentence we write Ramesh go to school. Ramesh becomes subject, go become verb, school become object anta ide. Artha agtidiya? So in this one, subject, verb, object, these all related with each other. That comes under which one? Nouns of cases antanu antare. They are called nouns of cases. Cases of nouns anta karitivi. Okay children, so here well we use possessive noun. Apostrophe s ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ after the subject, after the noun. Ramesh is what? One of the noun, name of a person. Name of a person alva Ramesh. So it is called as noun anta ಕರಿತೀನಿ, and it is also called as subject ಇದು. ಈಗ possessive noun ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ after the finishing of subject. Subject ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ possessive noun ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That possessive noun is called as apostrophe s. So if I am writing Ramesh book, ರಮೇಶ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬುಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಬುಕ್ ಅವಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರಮೇಶ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ನೌನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್? ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ರಮೇಶ್ apostrophe s. Sorry, Ramesh, yes, apostrophe s ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Then I will write book, Ramesh book anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. So here what type of noun over, what type of case we called for it? Yes, it is possessive noun. So what all the things are there to call? ಏನೇನು things ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಈಗ related words ಇರುತ್ತೆ sentence ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So those all related words are called cases, that which are in different types ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Hope everyone have understood with the example. So remain part of these things I will make you to understand in the next class. Okay children.